Hey there guys, John Campea here. Thanks for visiting my movie vlog. And for any of you who've watched me for any period of time, you know that I believe that one of the best directors in Hollywood today is actually Ben Affleck. He is rounded out to be one of the very best in the business. First, when he broke out with his first film, Gone Baby Gone, with his little brother, Casey Affleck, starring in it. And ever since, there's been hit after hit, a little bit of a hiccup with Live by Night, but I even thought that one was a pretty good movie. Well, it looks like Ben Affleck is getting ready to get back in the director's chair again. This time, for the first time in 10 years, it'll be with a studio that isn't called Warner Brothers. Each of the last 3 films that Ben Affleck has done, of course, The Town, Argo, and Live by Night, have all been with Warner Brothers, but now he's in talks with Sony to produce the real-life film Red Platoon. The story was broke a little bit earlier today by the website The Tracking Board, and they described the project of Red Platoon like this. Based on the memoir by Clinton Romishaw, Red Platoon tells a story of the Battle of Campea, which took place during the war in Afghanistan. On October 3rd, 2009, more than 300 Taliban fighters launched a pre-dawn raid on Outpost Keating, a remote and controversial American outpost near the Afghan-Pakistani border, overrunning its perimeter defenses and breaching its wire. Staff Sergeant Romishaw, a husband and father of 3 children, planned and led a small band of soldiers in a counterattack against seemingly insurmountable odds, saving dozens of American lives and ultimately receiving the Congressional Medal of Honor for his actions. This movie sounds like a match made in heaven. When you look at films like Argo and The Town, you know how Ben Affleck can utilize those tense moments of violence and pending violence to really help propel and tell his story. He knows how to create atmosphere. He knows how to create temperature of a movie. This sounds like something that would be right up his alley. Ben Affleck already has a couple of Oscars on his mantle, including a Best Director of the Year award from the DGA. This sounds like the type of movie and project that, if it goes the way it looks like it could put a couple more Oscars on his mantle. The main question is, what do you think about this? Does Red Platoon sound like a good match for the directing style of Ben Affleck? Do you think this could be another Oscar contender, or do you think it could be another unfortunate Live by Night situation? Jump into the comments section below and leave your thoughts. Hey guys, while you're here, take a second, click on the subscribe button, become a subscriber to my YouTube channel, and make sure you follow me on social media, on Facebook and on Twitter, simply at John Campea. That'll do it for me for now, guys. Thanks a lot for joining me, and until the next video, bye-bye.